Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to do the second part of our chapter, that is healthy living. The second part starts with the quotation of Buddha. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow which never leaves. Now what's the meaning of this quotation? It means that we are what we think. By doing the right thing, a joy comes, happiness comes, which is like a shadow. As a shadow never leaves us. Similarly, joy never leaves us when we are doing the right thing. It means to gain happiness, we must do the right things. Then we come to the chapter. Healthy mind and inner self depends on the quality of our positive thoughts. To maintain ourselves healthy from inside, we should guard the garden of our mind from harmful thoughts and feelings. Positive thoughts like praise, acceptance, and tolerance towards others lead to contentment and peace. They make us happy and our life becomes more enjoyable because they generate positive energy. Now in this paragraph, the writer says that to maintain ourselves healthy from inside or for the health of the soul, what are the things that are needed? We need the positive thoughts and feelings. Positive thoughts are like praise. We must try to praise others when they are doing the good things. Acceptance, accept other people. God has created everybody different. So there are differences that are there among the people, but we have to accept it. And tolerance means forbearance. We should forbear the things. We must have the habit to tolerate the things, never to become flare up on petty matters. This all creates problem for us. So tolerance, this is also a positive thing. And all these things, they lead to peace of mind, which is very important for our inner health. The people who believe in the positive things, who always act positively, they are all happy people. And happy people have healthy mindset. And they are healthy people. They make our life enjoyable. They make our life positive. And this all creates positive energy. And this leads to happiness. Then comes to the next, that is, one should appreciate others when it is due. When the people, they are doing the right thing, we must appreciate them. We must accept that they are doing good. As in the picture, people are clapping. This is also a way of appreciation for the other people. And accept them with all their differences. People are different from one another. Even the brothers and sisters who are living in the same environment, they may be different from each other. We have to accept these differences. Nobody is like ourselves in the world. We are special. God has created every individual different from the other. And we have to accept the differences also. Allah has made us all with utmost care and love. And He loves all of His creation. And Allah, who has created all the human beings, and He loves all the human beings. If we want that Allah love us, then we have to love His creation, because He loves His creation the most. And those people who love His creation, Allah loves them. And therefore we should also respect and love our fellow beings. When we are loving other people, when we are respecting other people, then we will be happy and we will gain the blessing of happiness from Allah also. Because Allah loves those people who love His fellow creation, who love His creation. Because Allah is pure love and He likes the people who promote love in this world. Now we come to the next paragraph. We should keep a watch on what we allow inside our mind, starting from words we speak, thoughts and attitude towards others. We should not waste energy and time on gossiping, bad mouthing, and finding faults in others. These lead to negative thoughts like jealousy, guilt, fear, and making excuses to cover up how we actually feel. These negative thoughts lead to unhealthy and therefore unhappy life. Now this paragraph is also very important, that we should keep a watch on our mind also, as we don't eat anything which is not tasty good, as we don't eat anything which is stale, which is not good. Similarly, we should keep watch the thoughts that are entering in our mind. We should be careful about the words that we are speaking. We should be careful about the attitudes that we are showing to other people. We should not waste our energy on negative things like gossiping. Very bad habit. That is not liked by anyone. Not in society, and also Allah also does not like gossiping. Bad mouthing, making mouth from others, making fun of others, finding faults in others. All the time we all think that we are perfect, while other people, they have their faults. This is not good. And to find fault in others is not a good habit. This leads to negative thoughts like jealousy and guilt. Guilt, a sense of crime, a sense of sin, fear, and when we think all about these things, we become fearful, and making excuses to cover up all how we actually feel. Similarly, lame excuses for doing the wrong thing. People, when they commit sins, when they do the wrong things, usually they try to give their excuses also. This is not good. All these are the negative things. And this all leads to unhealthy style of living. So we must avoid all these things for our happiness. Then some guidelines are also given here for the healthy software. As we have already discussed, that software means the inner self. Think before you speak, especially when it relates to others. When we are talking about others, you must think many times. Never give bad comments to the people, because this may hurt other people also. As we are hurt by the bad talk of other people, similarly other people are also hurt when we speak wrong about them. Don't say anything until it is true, useful, or kind. To speak too much is not a good habit. Say only the things which is useful, which is true, means never tell a lie. Never use the harsh words. Always use the good words and say the useful things and the things which are true. No gossiping should be there. No bad comments should be there, because all this leads to negative energy. These are the negative things. Don't say inside what you can't say outside. Means obviously the things that you can say inside, they may be the things that you can't say outside. Means your inner self as well as your outer self, your personality in the people as well as at your home, it should be the same. Don't say the things in home also that you can't say outside in the people. Say what you mean what you say. Means whatever we speak, there should be some meaning of that talk. Useless talk, that is not good. The things which are not good for others, don't say to anyone unless you can say to everyone. So don't say to the people the things that you can't say to everyone. Means avoid backbiting, avoid gossiping, avoid making fun of the other people. All these things are the negative thoughts, and that leads to negative energy, and that is all very harmful for our healthy software. Then we come to the concluding paragraph. Aspiring to live healthy, the benefits of regular exercise and physical activity are hard to ignore. So, for healthy living, regular exercise and physical activity, that is very important. We have already discussed it. that healthy lifestyle is very important. Instead of all the time sitting before TV, watching different kinds of programs and then playing video games, we must have some physical activity. It is recommended to have at least 30 minutes of physical activity every day. This time can be utilized in playing our favorite sports, doing some exercise, or going for a walk in the morning or evening. Adding physical activity to our daily routine adds quality in life with healthy benefits as well as mental peace. So it is very important to have some physical activity, to take exercise. At least 30 minutes should be spent for doing some healthy activity. You may play any game, you can do just walk also. It reduces risk to many diseases like joints and muscle muscle stronger and maintains body weight. It also leads to healthier state of mind and lifts our mood, which leads to improved social life. Yes, when we are feeling healthy, when we are feeling happy, then we will have better social life. Exercise, meditation means deep thinking, and physical activity every day are a great way to feel better, boost your health and have fun. So life becomes enjoyable when we are taking exercise, when we are doing some physical activity, when we are feeling better, and it also makes our health better, and so we must think about it. One should remember that desired change in lifestyle does not happen overnight. It takes a lot of dedication and hard work to start living healthy. So we must always remember that it is not an easy thing, and we have to take a lot of hard work. We have to do a lot of hard work and dedication for that. So it takes time to opt the healthy habits. Now we come to the summary of the whole lesson. Life is precious, take care of it. Physical health as well as healthy inner self are important for healthy living. Try to opt healthy habits for better physical health. Take balanced diet in good proportion and at the right time, and do exercise regularly. For better or mental or inner self, be positive. Be careful about unhealthy habits like gossiping, telling lies, bad mouthing, finding faults in others, jealousy, guilt, fear, making lame excuses. Avoid negative thoughts. Improve your social life. Make good friends. Behave properly with your parents as well as with your relatives. Remember, habits do not change overnight. It needs a lot of effort and deep thinking. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you very much.